Health benefits of milk thistle. Benefits: supports liver health, promotes skin health, reduces cholesterol, supports weight loss, reduces insulin resistance, improves allergic asthma symptoms, limits the spread of cancer, supports bone health, improves cognition, boosts the immune system. Now foods. Silymarin, milk thistle extract review. Description: milk thistle extract supports liver function with artichoke and dandelion. Non-GMO. A dietary supplement. Vegetarian, vegan. Botanicals, herbs. Suggested use: take 1 capsule 1 to 3 times daily. Other ingredients: cellulose, capsule, cellulose powder, silica and magnesium stearate, vegetable source. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish, or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Now double-strength Silymarin has twice the milk thistle extract, 300 mg per capsule, as in a regular strength product 150 mg per capsule. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place after opening. Caution: for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Do not eat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.